Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these two files and they created this, but they want some separation equally between the spaces. And this is super easy. We're going to go through the whole thing. We're going to take these out of the way for a second. And he's got his line drawn. It's pretty cool. Got his line drawn. I've already played with it, so I'm gonna go with red this time. And I'm going to smart fill, and I'm going to move it over. I'm nudging. Now, that node right there, let me zoom in, is our center point. So Control D and make a duplicate, double click on that X, and then move the center rotation to that node, and then rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. So he can get this far, but he needs some separation. And it's kind of a good thing because at a distance you can see the lines from the. So you could set your nudge factor on something real little and spin it around and nudge it up. But let's do this. Let's left click, right click. He's drawing in a hairline, which is great. Let's change the hairline to something thicker. Now, this is a pretty good little lesson. If you take the smart fill tool now and fill this in, you're still back where you're at because the lines are still, if we look under view and wireframe, they're still just hairlines. So we'll go back to enhance. But if he will take all three of these lines, three objects selected, go up to object and convert the outlines to an object. Now the smart fill tool will not get in there. It'll stay on the black part. So let's take the smart fill tool, nudge it over, nudge it over, nudge it over, and there you have this equally spaced parts between there. I'm really curious what the logo looks like. Maybe he'll send me something after he finishes. Anyway, but that's the best way I know how to do it when you want separation. And I could have made the line any thickness and given more. Now, you know, the more you separate it, the smaller your pieces are going to get. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.